Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna do a quick get ready with me. It's gonna be very subtle because I'm not going out anywhere today and I just want minimal makeup, which is what I've been preferring lately. It's just what's easiest. It really is like a cliche, like you become a mother and then makeup comes second, which I don't mind. Right now, makeup is not like the most important thing in my life. And if you guys don't watch my vlog videos, you probably haven't seen it. So this is my new hair color. I went a little lighter. When I showed my hair the last time, I think it was my IKEA vlog. If you guys want to see how it looked before. Just yesterday, I added a little bit more low lights to it because I was feeling a little too light. So I did it myself. I didn't want to call the girl again. I just don't want to bother her. I don't want to be that client, so I edited them myself. So it's still light. I still have highlights all throughout. It's just a little darker with the lowlights that I added, but that's how it looks. And you know what? It's very sunny right now. Let me see if the shades, switching the shades a certain way will help. All right, I'm gonna go wet my sponge because I haven't wet it and I'll be right back. I was gonna use this one. This is the Mochi from Shop Miss A. But I also got their microfiber like velvety sponge, which is similar to the Juno & Co. and I haven't used it. It's a lot softer than the Juno & Co. so I wet it. I want to see how it works. Let's put this on. All right, for primer, I don't know if I've used this on camera yet. This is the Found Beauty Fill and Blur Pore Primer. It's a bit pigmented, but I don't think it transfers. Like, I think it disappears once you put it on. So what have you guys been up to? I feel like I haven't sat down and like really talked to you guys. Lucas is 4 months old right now and I feel like he's changing rapidly with his like milestones. We bought him a little skip hop activity center and he's able to sit up and like actually enjoy it. For foundation, I'm gonna use the Urban Cover by Maybelline. I have the shade Soft Tan. But yeah, we took him to his 4-month well visit and only thing she noticed was a flat head. I just uploaded a vlog in regards to that, so if you guys want to see it, I'll link it for you guys. But we actually ended up taking him to a cranial specialist. We're just waiting on the insurance because he does have a slight flat head. It's very mild, so it's nothing too concerning. I think at this point it's just mainly cosmetic. So if the insurance covers it, then we're gonna go forward with it and he'll probably be wearing a little helmet for 8 to 10 weeks depending on how fast he heals, I guess is the word. I like the sponge and I actually don't mind it wet. The Juno ones, I don't like them wet, but this one seems to be working just fine. And it's a lot cheaper. I think it was only $1. If anything, $1.30, but not more than that. Anyway, within that visit, the doctor told us that he will be eating solids or starting solids. I think she said 5 months, but I think she might have meant 6 months. I don't know. I was reading this book called The Baby-Led Weaning. I'm very interested in actually starting him that way instead of purees and all that stuff. We're gonna try to just feed him what we eat. And obviously, you have to read that book to know exactly what foods you can feed him and at what age, what to look for. It talks about allergies and how to cut up foods to serve depending on the baby's age. Food sensitivity. It's a very interesting book and it's a quick read. I thought it was going to be longer, but I just finished reading it. I feel like he's growing up so fast. I know everybody says that. It's so cliche. So the reason why I did that IKEA vlog was because since the doctor says that he's going to be eating solids pretty soon, we wanted to buy a high chair. This is the L'Oreal Full Concealer in the shade Amber. So I ended up getting the Antelope high chair from IKEA. It's super inexpensive and you could actually like customize it with things that you can buy separately. And even then, I don't think it's as much as you would pay for another type of chair. So I am going to be filming that. Just showing you guys how I customize it. But I am so excited for him to start eating solids. A little nervous because, you know, the book talks about choking and gagging. Eating the way he's gonna start eating is a learning phase for them because knowing how to eat, you obviously have to learn how to do that because right now it's just pretty much nursing, breastfeeding. Breastfeeding is still gonna be his main source of nutrients. It's a little nerve-wracking, but exciting. This is a really good sponge. I like it a lot. I am really active on Instagram, especially like mom related stuff, if you guys are interested in that. Or if you guys like coffee, oh my god, I'm always posting my latest coffee choices. I show my machine there. I'm trying to like actually post on Instagram a little bit more. So I'm gonna link my Instagram handle if you guys wanna follow me. Check me out. It's a whole different world in Instagram, I'm telling you. Different from what it is on YouTube. It's rarely any makeup, so if that's what you want, that's not gonna be your cup of tea. But if you guys like mom stuff, babies, dogs, coffee, you might enjoy it. Oh, to set my under eyes, I use the Wet n Wild contouring palette. They changed the name to this one, I think, but I'll link the most recent one, which is I think the same. But this contour palette is really, really good. I actually even like the bronzer that comes with it. Curl my lashes a little bit. What are you guys wearing right now with COVID? Especially if you guys are working. Are you guys still wearing a full face of makeup? Are you guys only wearing things that accentuate your eyebrows and eyes? What are you not wearing? With me, obviously I'm not working right now. But if I was working, I think I would definitely be skipping foundation because I would have to have a mask on. I don't think I would like that feeling. But I've had people ask me questions in regards to certain foundations and if I think they would work with a mask on. So I'm very curious to know like what you guys are using underneath masks if you guys work on a daily basis. To set, I'm just using the Revlon Photo Candid powder in the shade number 2. I'm just like, it's super messy. I just have to be careful with it because otherwise it's gonna fly everywhere. For blush, I'm gonna use Mellow Wine by Wet n Wild. I love this blush and I think it's a really nice one because it's still kind of like summery, kind of transitioning into fall where it's it has like a little bit of redness. I don't know if they still make it, but this is the Morphe M527. This almost can be used as like a bronzer slash blush. And I just kind of bring it up a little bit up here on the temples. And then I put a little bit on my nose. I'm totally gonna skip highlight. For mascara, I'm gonna use the False Lashes mascara. This one is in the color I think it's just black. And Essence makes it. It's not waterproof. I think I used it in the last video and said the same thing. It's not waterproof, but it's a really good non-waterproof mascara. And then just to finish off, I have been enjoying these lip glosses. This is the Maybelline lip gloss. It's called the Lifter Gloss. It's called the Lifter Gloss. It has hyaluronic acid. It's just supposed to be very nourishing and moisturizing. I have this one in the color Topaz, but I also have the color Petal and the color Moon. The color Petal is really pretty. I wish I had them. I think they're in my baby bag. But the color Petal is really nice and pigmented. So if you guys want a little bit more pigment to your lips, especially if they look jacked up like mine do right now, I tend to use that one because it hides the scars of me picking my damn lips that I can't get rid of that habit. But the color Topaz, it's a nice like wash of like just the most sheerest color. And the color Moon is a lot similar to the color Fussy by Fenty. Again, I have those colors in my baby bag, but if you guys like the color Fussy, then definitely check out the color Moon in this line. But again, this one is Topaz, so I'm just gonna put this on. And it like instantly makes your lips look full and plump. It doesn't have a plumping effect, like it's not tingling or anything, but it definitely makes your lips feel nice and full. So that is it. Like, this is today's look. I'm mainly putting makeup on because I want to film the IKEA high chair. I'm gonna customize it. I'm gonna film that for you guys. If any of you guys are interested, stay tuned for that video. But yeah, that's why I'm mainly putting on a little bit of makeup. And yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.